Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.6 question number 2. Solve the following equations, that is 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Question number 2 is 9x by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. On multiplying both sides, multiplying on multiplying both sides by 7 minus 6x, we get 9x is equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x, or 9x is equal to 15 into 7, 5 and 35, 3, it is 5, 105, minus 15 6 0, 6 for 30, 3 0, 90 x. Right? Now transposing minus 90x to left hand side, we get 9x plus 90x is equal to 105, or you can say 90x plus 9x is equal to 99. 99x is equal to 105. And dividing both sides by 99, dividing both sides by 99, both sides by 99, we get x is equal to 105 by 99. If we divide by 3, that is 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 3 5 is 15. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 35 by 33, 35 by 33, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.